In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, review, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen on this required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. All categories of rooms are available online while you are staying. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various finance and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you do not know details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help